Hi guys, today we're here at A&J Automotive and we'll be testing a Super Nano engine restorer on a Honda Odyssey. So this car's from 2001. It's got a 2.3 liter engine and it's got around 216,000 kilometers on it. Before applying, we're going to do some testing with a warmed up engine. For cars with a capacity of over 3 liters, or if the mileage is over 100,000 kilometers, we would recommend to use 2 Super Nanos. With the engine warmed up, we're going to conduct our initial tests. So we're going to do our initial vibration test.
Okay. How got it?
Yeah, right here.
Recording?
Yeah. And for our first sound test. Yep, so around 73, 74.
Yeah.
To apply Super Nano, we've got to switch off the engine. So we're gonna apply 2 bottles of Super Nano. And now we're ready to start the engine. The time is 10:59, and we'll give it around 10 to 15 minutes so that Super Nano can start repairing the engine. Hi guys, the time is 11:15 and we are ready to do our second testing.